So we got our hood sanded and prepped. Everything's been finished sanded with a DA 600 grit. A couple of burn throughs, but we're going to be sealing this, so we're not too worried. They don't go down to bare metal, they don't go down to bodywork, we're okay. But you can see that this surface has been prepped where it's almost shiny. It's a super fine scratch. Next, we're going to blow and tack everything and get it sealed. We're using a PPG EC 25 sealer line. It is a single wet coat, about 75% overlap. You'll notice Mike balled up the tack rag. Don't fold it, you want to ball it up so it has as many creases and folds as possible. He's tacking from the furthest point away towards himself, and you don't want to push too hard. If you push too hard on that tack rag, it'll leave some of that sticky crap behind. Blowing on it with air, that helps relieve and reduce any dust or dirt. We do have a dirty tack rag on the wall that we'll actually end up wiping down the hose with before we actually paint. Gray shade called for a G5 to match this 32V color. It'll be a little darker than standard gray, but not black. So it'll literally be right in the middle. Spraying this out of the old school Iwata LPH 400. You will notice Mike and I don't pattern the gun on paper. He patterns it by what he sees. Same as before when we primed it. He's going to start doing his edges and his bands. Going to start on the closest side to him, and he's going to move towards the center. One nice even wet coat. So watch his overlap, he's about 75%. It's only moving down a little bit. Gun distance anywhere from 4 to 7 inches. Mike sprays a little bit close, but he makes up for that in his speed. We don't need to glass this thing out. It does need to be shiny, and it should be closer to glass than anything, but do not try and glass your sealer out. As it dries, it will flatten itself. It has leveling agents that allow it to go smoother. We only need one coat. Mike's looking over everything. If he doesn't like it, he can put another half coat or a 3/4 coat on there, cover everything up. All right, everything's good. We're gonna go ahead and move on to base coat next.